love, meet down with Rickshaw Wali. And guess who's in my rickshaw today? The amazing and awesome Sherry Shroff. Ta-da! Sherry. Again. Ta-da! Sherry. Hello. Oh my God! You need to be shocking, Sherry.
Hi guys. आपके रिक्शा में सफर बहुत अच्छा है.
Gee, thank you so much. That's my special magic rickshaw. And of course, guys and friends, you probably know that Sherry, she's one of the most amazing beauty, fashion bloggers and one of the biggest YouTubers we have in our country today.
यार.
अरे हाँ रे.
छोटी सी तुम.
अरे नहीं छोटी, you're huge. She's amazing. Guys, you have to check out her channel. The link is given right here. Please click on it and subscribe to her.
Subscribe. And if you're one of my subscribers watching, subscribe to Rickshaw Wali now. अभी button दबाओ.
Better listen to Sherry, हाँ? Shocking Sherry.
रिक्शा वाली को सब्सक्राइब करो नहीं तो शॉक दे दूंगी.
हम दोनों शॉक दे देंगे. So Sherry, since you're an expert in fashion, I have a special fashion question for you.
बोलिए.
What tip would you give me or anyone watching out there? What should we be wearing when eating a vada pav?
A vada pav. I would say something sleeveless because you know you need your arms to be like right now. I feel like I would not be really able to like go into the pav because my arms are a little restricted. So I would say ganji पहन के vada pav.
गंजी पहन के vada pav खाओ. And of course do some muscle exercise.
Like stretch a little पहले and then like
doing it right?
yeah.
Okay, good. So I'm ready for vada pav. So talking about vada pav, Sherry, what tip would you give for chutney?
Chutney. Why chutney?
Because Salman said so. No, I'm just kidding. But really, like, how strong are your taste buds actually?
My taste buds as strong as Salman's biceps.
You love Salman?
I mean, yeah, I love Big Boss.
Salman has united us.
Salman, we love you.
Mwah. Back to the chutney.
The chutney क्यों कर रहे हो?
अरे chutney है because you are here actually with me today because we're doing the ultimate rickshaw wali's chutney challenge. Ta-da! And these are the chutneys.
तो आपका चटनी होने वाला है आज.
हाँ.
Because I'm gonna definitely win.
Wow, okay.
So what are the rules of this challenge?
So the rules are as follows. Basically, ये सब 10 chutneys है. So in 10 chutney में
You have to eat 10?
अरे नहीं. From these 10 chutneys, 5 chutneys you will get and 5 chutneys I will get.
Oh.
But your eyes have to be closed.
But we can't cheat or we
You can't cheat. Arey, if you cheat,
थोड़ा
you
ऐसे
get one
करके
big
देख
slap
रहे
from me. No, nothing like that.
Okay.
And I'll give you 1 spoon of each chutneys, and that is when you have to tell me what chutney it could be. Have you cleaned your palate? Like any connoisseur would say.
Of course.
I don't trust that. I think you should clean your palate. Ta-da! Eat some toast and get your palates clean.
Can I finish it?
No, not yet. Just keep it back. Thank you. Oh my God, before we forget, we have to do this selfie. Called the special toasty selfie.
Oh.
So please take back your toast.
How?
I'll take a toast and we just smile into camera and cheese. Okay, so give me back the toast. Thank you. So you will start first. Chutney number 1.
It's definitely the green one you get with tandoori chicken. Normal pudina green chutney.
Yeah! She did it! The first one! It was quite easy though, I have to.
1-0. Alright.
Second one going
Can I have
on.
the palette cleanser?
Sorry, palette cleanser.
Forgetting
Right
the rules.
Sorry, I'm so nervous. Sherry is on my channel. Okay,
Now can I finish it?
No. Next one is coming on.
My eyes are closed now.
Your... don't cheat.
This is sweet.
This will be little bit more difficult for you.
I think it's tamarind.
I think you're very far off.
Tamarind chutney.
I have nothing to say to that because that is completely wrong.
What rubbish?
It's not. That's not even imli in it. It's a tomato chutney.
From what angle? Sure, I cannot believe it.
This is tomato chutney. Tomato. You can see it. Tomato.
Okay, let's go to the next chutney. Totally tasted like imli.
It's not imli anyways, but it's okay.
I think you're cheating.
I'm not cheating. I gave you that.
Did she give me that one or was it another one?
Let us know in the comments below what you think. If I cheated or not, and I didn't.
I don't trust you.
You don't trust Rickshaw Wali? Rickshaw Wali is a very honest person. Rickshaw Wali does not lie, okay?
Especially not when you're in the rickshaw.
Especially not in life.
But you know what would be awesome if Salman was riding?
Do you know Salman?
No.
Please, Salman, if you ever get to see this video,
You've
contact
made so
me.
many videos for him.
I have.
You should have sent you a kiss by now.
Never done it.
Salman, if you're watching this, she loves you and she makes a lot of videos for you.
Thank you, Sherry. I really appreciate that. A big hug to that too. Okay, let's go on to the third now. Okay.
Focus, Sherry. This doesn't taste so good. It's like medicine. Is that Benadryl chutney?
I don't think there's Benadryl chutney available till now.
What was that? Amla chutney? I don't know.
You're just ruining this.
You just said health and I went
thought,
with Amla.
dude, I thought I'm helping you. I gave you easy ones.
I've never tasted this chutney in my life. Like it was literally like someone put cough syrup in my mouth.
I'm sorry to say that. It was imli ki chutney. She didn't know imli ki chutney. Dear Indians, Bharat.
But why
whoever's
was it so
watching,
bitter? Imli is supposed to be khatta.
I'm tasting if this is actually good.
It was not khatta at all. Isn't it like medicine?
So it doesn't even taste like imli.
Exactly. Do we get 1 and 1 for this
Okay,
one?
we'll get 1 and 1. Okay.
2-0.
1? Why 2?
Why? So you're giving me 1 point for Emily, na? I'm an honest player.
Let's see. Oh, really? And I'm not
अभी
honest?
तक 1 मिला है मुझे अंक.
ओहो, अरे वाह, अपनी हिंदी को तो देखो, क्या बात है. टन टन टरन टन टन टरन टन.
Mushano, coconut chutney.
Yay! She guessed it. Last one, yeah.
Last one.
Don't try to cheat me,
Focus,
Sherry.
Sherry, you have got to get this one. The last one, just
Everything
one.
is on stake. Everything. She might lose everything. And
Garlic, ginger garlic and whatever.
well, I'll give you still the point because she guessed garlic. So it's garlic and coconut. Okay, she guessed 3. Now it's my turn. So Sherry, my muscles are strong.
Are you ready?
I am so ready.
I'm gonna start with this one because it looks.
What? Why are you
Open your
laughing?
mouth.
What is this piece?
Start with the best one for you.
It tastes.
Payback for the Emily.
Why would you make something like this? It tastes like someone's plaster is in my mouth. Used that too.
Guess karo.
It can't be mango because mango is very sweet.
I think it's fruity. I mean, I'm gonna give you a hint.
Otherwise I would have said cauliflower, but they don't have cauliflower chutney.
Who makes cauliflower?
I don't know. So I just go for lemon.
No, it's papaya.
Hey, they make papaya chutneys.
Apparently they do. Look at that.
They look so slimy. Yeah,
Yeah.
I ate that. No, this is like gummy bears melted.
Oh,
but
yeah.
but doesn't taste like gummy bears.
It's chip chip.
Give me now something good. It was so bad.
Open wide.
This tastes better. Spicy though. I love
You
South
have?
Indian.
Oh,
So this is probably the red chutney.
well done.
Yes! I told you I'll kill it.
3-1 still.
Wow.
Don't get excited.
Okay.
अभी तीसरी वाली चटनी.
What's on my side? Can't even feed me, man. Wow, this is spicy. Wow. I'll just spit it out. It's so spicy. This must be chili.
And there are
It
two
toast.
things.
So my mind is not working.
Focus.
Wow, it's spicy.
Focus.
I'll just take a guess. Chili and chili?
No, it's a lot of Chinese dishes have it.
Chili garlic?
Yeah. I was feeling bad. That's why I helped you because you are like
Thank you so much.
chauthi chutney. I think it's a tongue twister. Let's translate. Chauthi chutney, chauthi chutney.
क्या? चौटी चटनी?
Chauthi chutney.
Chutney, 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 chutney. This is other one. Have you seen that movie Kabhi Khushi
Yeah.
Kabhi Gum? You remember there's this very famous tongue twister. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदनी के चांदनी के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
No points for that. अभी बंद करो आंखें. Aeroplane is coming.
Seems like pudina. Yeah, duh. Thank you. Thank God the spiciness has gone off my tongue.
Last one. So you've guessed 3 already, right?
हाँ.
So wow, if you guess the last one, you'll win.
Told you.
होने नहीं वाला है.
देखेंगे. चटनी. चटनी.
This is quite a weird looking one.
Is this sweet? Could be tomato.
The final answer could be, should be नहीं होता है.
Hold on, okay. Give me
This is
time.
a game changer.
I gave you so much time, okay? Just relax.
I'm very competitive.
Yeah, I'm competitive too, okay? Rickshaw wali always wins. So I would say it's capsicum.
That's your final answer. Lock कर दिया जाए.
So capsicum chutney.
It's a tie because it is sweet tomato chutney. You were wrong the first time.
Damn it. Oh my god, I said tomato in the beginning.
Yeah, but then you didn't focus on
Arre, because we had already tomato. Remember, you had one tomato, so I thought there won't be another tomato. You have beaten me here. I accept it. It's okay.
tie. दोनों जीत गए.
Still, since you're in my rickshaw, it's still my duty to gift you something.
Oh, there's a winner gets a prize. No?
Yes.
Wow.
Rickshaw wali is very nice, and she'll give you a gift for that. And your gift is the following:
Bread.
a packet of toast. now you can always clean your palate.
This is amazing. I want to thank my parents for giving me so much chutney when I was young so that I could win this.
Yes.
And I want to thank my fiance for taking me out to so many lunches and dinners because that's how I knew all these chutneys. And of course Salman, because without him we
Salman.
would never have been able to do this video.
Correct.
And I want to thank all my shroffers. You know, they give me the
Yes, all
confidence
the
to
love.
eat new chutneys every day. Thank you, of course.
Aww.
आपके बिना तो ये possible नहीं था.
Hug. Bye, hug. Aww.
Bye guys.
Bye. So thank you so much for watching
Thank
this
you.
video. I hope you had fun and you had fun watching
I
us.
had lots of fun.
You had? Me too. I think these chutneys were quite good in a very Indian
No, not
way.
some of them.
Yeah, some, especially the Benadryl one was not good. But anyways, thank you so much and please subscribe to Wonderful Sherry's channel, the amazing fashion beauty blogger and also a little crazy, but she's amazing. And the channel link is right here, so click right here to subscribe to her channel. She is awesome. And follow me on my other social networks up here if you want to tell us how you liked it or you didn't like it.
Share it.
Share it, like it and comment.
Also subscribe to Riksha Wali. Click right here. If you're a shropper and you love my videos, you gotta subscribe to her. She is awesome sauce.
Otherwise,
मार मार के चटनी बना दूंगी.
so subscribe to our channel.